Are you thinking of trying to make money from home with network marketing? If so, the chances are that you are seeking out as many helpful tips and suggestions that you can. Network marketing can be a very lucrative profession, but it is not easy. It does take some hard work, as well as dedication and determination. This video will provide you with tips and information that will hopefully help you discover what it takes to succeed in network marketing. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about network marketing training for beginners to discover what it takes tips. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. One network marketing training for beginners tip that will get you started is that you need to be self-motivated. You must be willing to make the effort to learn new skills and to create a strong personal brand. The marketers that have the most success are those who are the most self-confident. They know that they are a valuable commodity and that their products and services are in high demand. When you first start out in network marketing, your goal is to build your brand. Another network marketing training for beginners tip is that you need to be organized. Even though you probably have your own telephone and voicemail, you still need to keep track of your leads and make sure that you're sending messages in the right fashion. Your messages need to be relevant to your prospects' lives. For example, if your potential customers live in Cleveland, then you need to talk about Cleveland and Ohio. If your customers live in Los Angeles, you should talk about network marketing in Southern California. A network marketing training for beginners tip that is particularly important if you are a newbie is that you need to avoid being hasty. There are many people who jump into network marketing without learning enough about it. They make a lot of money quickly, and then they quit. This is why you need to learn as much as possible before you invest any money. You also need to make sure that you are not committing any mistakes when you network marketing. Another network marketing training for beginners tip is to avoid following everyone else's example. People will always tell you how they became successful. If you listen to what they say, you can become successful too. Don't be discouraged by this and try to discover your own unique way of doing things. Find out what makes you tick and what motivates you. By being unique, you will stand out from the crowd and that can only be good for you. A network marketing training for beginners tip that is extremely valuable is that you need to always think big. There is nothing wrong with working in increments. You might not have time to work on your business full-time, but you can increase your exposure and income by becoming an affiliate. You may have to invest a certain amount of money in order to do this successfully, but the rewards are worth it. Learn as much as you can about online marketing so that you can choose the right path for yourself. One last network marketing training for beginners tip is to always keep learning. Even if you are experienced, there is always more to learn. The internet is constantly evolving and new tools and techniques are constantly being developed. You can make the most money possible right now, but you will never become a master at it unless you continue to study and improve yourself. Never stop learning. A network marketing training for beginners tip is something that you should always keep in mind. It can make all the difference in your success. If you are willing to invest the time necessary, you can be one of the most successful people in your community. However, remember that even the best professionals need help from time to time. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing training for beginners. Discover what it takes tips. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.